Welcome to the final leg of our tour. Today, we visit the engineering marvel that is Palm Jumeirah, the world's largest man-made island. As we stroll along the crescent, the iconic Atlantis, the Palm, rises before us, a gateway to a world of fantasy and luxury. The views from the waterfront offer a stunning perspective of the island's unique layout against the turquoise Arabian Gulf. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Next, we head towards Blue Waters Island to see Ain Dubai, the world's largest and tallest observation wheel, a true feat of engineering. We conclude our walk at the Jumeirah Beach residence, where the golden sands meet the vibrant pulse of the city's modern lifestyle. As our journey concludes, we hope you've enjoyed this immersive tour of the spectacular and ever-evolving city of Dubai. Thank you for joining us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.